Hey guys, what's up? I am back with a brand new video and it's time to do unbox the Infinix Note 10. And guys, and this is a new mid-range phone from Infinix, which is costing around 25,000 PKR Pakistan market. Eid Mubarak to all my Muslim viewers. And guys, in this price range we have 6GB of RAM with 128GB of internal storage. And guys, and this is a little brother of the Infinix Note 10 Pro. And you can see on the front we have 6.95-inch display, and also we have a full HD resolution on this phone as well. And guys, also on the color I have is the black color. Actually, you can see manufactured in Pakistan. So now let's quickly unbox the Infinix Note 10, and now let's see that what is Infinix has you offer in this phone. And guys, also on this phone is powered by MediaTek Helio G80 processor. So you can see that here is the box of the Infinix Note 10. And guys, on the back we have some more specification. We have 5000 mAh battery size, as you can see, and also we have Android 11 on this phone. We also have 48 megapixel main camera on this phone. Now let's quickly open this box like this, and we get one more box. So first open this box, and guys, you can see that here is the Infinix Note 10. So now let's out the phone from this box. As you can see, these are the main highlighting feature about the Infinix Note 10. We also have 18-watt fast charging on this phone. We have 16 megapixel selfie camera. So you can see that here is the Infinix Note 10 looks like in the black color. So first let me remove this plastic without any wasting time, and on the top remove this as well. I guess you can see that. So now let's quickly boot this phone up, and now let's see what else we get. And other than the phone, and guys, and the first thing we get IMEI stickers, and we get a soft silicone case. As you can see, we also get a X Club gold coin bank, and also we get a 1-year warranty card. We also get screen protector on this phone as well. And guys, here is a silicone case of the Infinix Note 10. It's nice to see that we get a silicone case with this phone. And guys, also we get a charger. It says that we have a 7.5 watt with a 2.4 ampere. And guys, and this is a 18-watt fast charging is that you are getting with the Infinix Note 10. And also we get a cable, and guys, and this is a USB Type-C cable, so no micro USB with the Infinix Note 10, so that's really good thing. So we also get a simulation tool. So now let's put all these things to the side, and now let's look at the Infinix Note 10. Let me show you the physical overview of this phone. And guys, on the bottom we have a speaker, USB Type-C port, main microphone, as well as a headphone jack. On the left hand side we have a SIM tray. So guys, now let's look at the SIM tray on the Infinix Note 10. Why not? And guys, you can see that we can use one micro SD card with 2 nano SIMs at the same time. So it is a full flush SIM slot, and also we get a rubber inside the SIM tray. So on the top we have nothing. On the right hand side we have volume up and volume down rocker, as well as a power on button, which also has a side mounted fingerprint scanner. We have 48 megapixel main camera, and then we have a macro and depth sensor. No ultra wide lens on the Infinix Note 10, so that's really disappointing. And guys, on the back it is made up of plastic, as well as the frame of this phone. And again, we have 5000 mAh battery size. So guys, on the front we have 6.95-inch Full HD IPS LCD display, which also has a 90Hz refresh rate. So now let's quickly set up this phone up. So guys, and here is the first boot of the Infinix Note 10, as you can see. And guys, in the first impression about the display quality, I have to say that the display quality looks exactly the same as the Infinix Note 10 Pro. So guys, now let's see fingerprint scanner speed, and you can see, and the fingerprint scanner speed, it is also really fast on this phone. So first let me go to the settings on this phone. Now let's go about phone, and you can see this phone is running on Android 11, so that's really good thing. So we have 128GB of internal storage out of 113GB. It is available for you guys. Now let's go to the display. This phone give you a 60Hz refresh rate. So guys, now let's look at the camera. And guys, you can see that on the back we have triple cameras. We have 48 megapixel main camera, and then we have a 2 megapixel macro and a 2 megapixel depth sensor. On the front we have 16 megapixel selfie camera inside this punch hole. The punch hole looks really small as well. So here is the camera UI of the Infinix Note 10. So you can see we also have a macro mode, no ultra wide on the Infinix Note 10, and that's really disappointing. So now let's go to the video section, and now let's see the video recording size with the back camera. And the back camera maximum shoot 1440p, no 4K on this phone. And guys, we also have a bokeh video mode on this phone. We also have a video beauty feature on this phone. No ultra steady mode on the Infinix Note 10, which is something really available on the Infinix Note 10 Pro. We also have a short video, we also have a beauty, we also have a portrait, we have super night mode, we also have a slow motion on this phone, so you can see. And guys, we also have a pro mode on this phone, so that's really good thing. So now let's see the front camera. On the front we have 16 megapixel selfie camera, and the quality looks really average on this phone. As you can see, not the best. And the front camera also shoot 1440p, no 4K. On the front we also have a bokeh effect, and you can see, which give you a background blur in video. We also have a video beauty feature on the front, and the portrait mode, it is also available with the front camera, and the night mode, it is also available with the front camera. And guys, and this phone give you a 5000 mAh battery size with the 18-watt fast charging. So that's about it, and thank you so much for watching this unboxing. I'm a first impression regarding the Infinix Note 10. Let me know your thoughts in the comment section below. Subscribe to my channel for daily tech videos, and I will catch you in my next video. Peace out.